coming in at $120 each, exclusively on Crunchyroll. Let's find out who is the better maid. Welcome to another figure review, and today I got something special. Today I'll be showing off both Tohru and Kanna, their Maid Cafe versions from the series Kobayashi Dragon. Now, let's start off with the box showcase, and I'll take Kanna away for now. Let's start off with Tohru. Let's see. So Tohru, you can get a pretty good view of the inside right there, and try to make sure the light doesn't get shown through it. On the side, you can see like the art rendition of it. There's that, and this is they're both made from Apex Toys, and right there you can see the authenticity sticker, nice and shiny. And actually, this back thing is actually a sticker, surprisingly. So it's kind of interesting. Nothing on the side. So actually, it's kind of cool. One shows the front, and another shows the back. And this actually doesn't look to be. Huh. Okay. So one is actually like an art piece. I guess this one, it flows more into this, I guess, where you show the front, then the back of it, and nothing on the bottom. All right, and she's done. Let's show off Kanna. Same thing from Kobayashi, Apex Toys in the top left. Art rendition on one side. But yeah, actually, same thing of the sticker. Her sticker is actually pink, so because she's pink based, not too bad. We got the authenticity sticker and showing off the back. All right, that's enough of the box showcase. Let's start the unboxing. Now, as I'm unboxing Tohru, if you do enjoy these figure unboxings, please consider subscribing. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and to everyone who is already subscribed, thank you so much. There we go. You can go on the side there. Oh, the base, the accessories, it's completed, and they do go together. So cool. I wanted to make sure these actually went together. Cute little plant. Actually is one piece. Kind of a little weight to it. Pretty solid though. There's some gravel in the bottom here with the dirt, so we can get a good angle. Cool. Nothing too bad. And of course, we got the menu showing off the Omurice. And actually kind of a nice little pastel type of feeling on it. Let's see if we can get a close up of it. Come on now. Come on, camera. There we go. Base. Pretty simple, nothing too much with it. Bottom shows off what it's made from and who is a part of. Dragon Maid Committee, huh? Interesting. Let's see if I can get a close up on that. There we go. Dragon Maid Committee. Kind of a nice feel. I like this base. It's light, but I like the texture of it, the feel of it, and also how it looks. They're supposed to slide together. I guess there's no way to officially connect them in some way. So put that over there. But let's show off Tohru. It's pretty easy to disassemble. Oh, just this piece of plastic. Let's get that out. Love the little different Omurices. Her face actually looks really nice. The dynamics of what she looks like, her little horns, just the shading and coloring of it is really popping off for me. And of course, she's in a blue Maid outfit. Here's the back. But yeah, that face is really eye-catching to me. The Omurices. Let's see if I can grab. There we go. You can see sometimes the little individual grains of rice in there. This one's being flipped. This one's already been covered and decorated. Yeah, I like this. It really looks really nice. You can see the kind of the wire going through it. Yeah, nothing too bad on this one. Alright, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty flush. Yeah, so I wrapped it around her first and then tried to insert it. Makes it a little easier. Gloves look good. The clothing, no too many blemishes. Really good looking thighs and thickness. Let's start assembling her. Alright. Now that she's fully assembled, then we'll get Kanna. Now let's start with the Kanna unboxing. Little table, tea table. A little bit of tea spilling out. Nothing too much on this one. Cake out. Yeah, nothing too much going on with this one. The cake looks nice. Looks good. It's kind of tilting off also. You can't, yeah, it's actually a little bit flexible, but yeah, you can't really flatten it if that's what you wanted to do. Base, same feel, feels nice. It's got like a little banana peel thing on this. And again, Dragon Maid Committee. Nothing too much going on. And now let's start off with the main figure, Kanna herself. Oh. Love the deep redness of the dress. It's not like a bright red or anything, but it actually has a bunch of shading on it. It's got some dynamics to it. It looks great. It kind of stands out by itself. Love the little beads in her hair, kind of spraying out, kind of showing off from there. Horns are actually really nice. They're not like, you can't really move them either or anything. And they got like different shades on them. And oh, there's a little piece of plastic. Shoes are nice and red, kind of matching her. What can I say? It's a nice, another nice looking figure. I think I kind of do prefer Tohru's figure a bit more. Kanna is kind of, it's nice, but if I had to pick one or the other, I'd probably pick Tohru's. There's Kanna. Her tail. A little spiky ball that she uses to charge herself. And that's how it goes. There's a little hole right here that you can insert it into. And then her tail just kind of sits there. Nice. That's how it goes. One gets inserted into her hand. It actually fits in pretty well. And it's pretty stable too, so it's not going to fall out easily. Nice. I like that a lot. There we go. Let me get Tohru back and then we can put them together. Here they are. Finally assembled. Now there's nothing keeping them together, so I'll show you. I mean, I guess it's mostly just friction. Yeah, it's mostly just friction keeping them together. But now they're fully assembled. Let's start the showcase. Moving on to the pros and cons. Pros. The Maid Cafe theme is unique and interesting instead of the regular Maid theme, which they are getting later on. They're pretty darn cute. They have some beautiful colors in Omurice. Now on to the cons. The exclusivity on Crunchyroll makes them harder to obtain. Because they don't have a way to stay connected through their bases, they could, move a little bit, which you just have to think about. Since it's an exclusivity, I feel like they should have at least got something else, like a paper background to complete the Maid set. But, they didn't get anything. On to the final thoughts. Answering the question of who is the better Maid, I feel personally that Tohru is better, but you can pick who you like better. It's up to you. This super cute set with unique outfits and well sculpted is great to fit into anyone's collection. Thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, consider subscribing for more of my figure videos. Also, remember to hit that like button for the algorithm and leave your thoughts in the comments about these figures. And remember, thick thighs saves lives.